just demonstrating all you need to set up a cinema for about 50 people. I have here a 120-inch screen that can just roll around with me. And all you really need is your laptop and projector that fits in a backpack, and you're set. Because the audio, the cables, the speakers, that's all taken care of by Cinewav. So let's get this thing set up, and I'll show you how fast we can do that in.
This by far is our favorite portable screen, and we use it a lot. The aluminum frame is lightweight but very durable and super easy to assemble. The screen just snaps on and is very secure, taut, with no wrinkles.
And there you have it. In just about 5 minutes, more or less, 2 people can set up a 120-inch screen that can fit about 50 people. Perfect for any bar, restaurant, cafe, hotel, patio area. And you don't need speakers or wires. Now you just need to set up the projector and the laptop, and you're all set with Cinewav.
We gave a hotel demo to the GM and staff showing how Cinewav allows 2 film screenings at the same time, one for the kids and another for the parents. Here we show a restaurant manager and his team how they can use their existing screen or a portable one. The best part is there's no more issues with audio using Cinewav.